In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BandLab. BandLab is a free, browser-based platform where you can make music, collaborate with others, and share your work with a creative community. We'll keep things simple and walk through the key areas you'll use the most so you can get comfortable quickly. First, open your web browser and go to the BandLab website. The homepage introduces the platform and gives you quick access to creating or exploring music. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and make sure your audio interface, headphones, or microphone are connected before you start producing. Next, log into your BandLab account. Use the Login button at the top of the page and enter your details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which acts as your central hub. From here, you can move between the creative tools and the community features without losing your place. Head over to the feed. Think of it like a social media timeline built for music creators. You can browse trending tracks, discover new artists, and see what collaborators are working on. Play a few posts to get a feel for the styles people are sharing. If something inspires you, like it or leave a supportive comment. This helps the algorithm tailor recommendations to your taste and connects you with potential collaborators. Now check out services. This section is where you'll find opportunities designed to support your growth as an artist. You'll see options like opportunities for contests and calls, distribution to send your releases to major streaming platforms, boosts to promote your tracks, and pages to refine how your profile looks to listeners. Explore what's available and note eligibility details or timelines before you submit anything so you can plan your releases effectively. Move into your library. This is your personal workspace. Here you'll find your projects, collaborations, and music you've liked. Use the filters to view recent work, revisit drafts, or jump into shared projects with collaborators. Your updates save to the cloud so you can switch devices and pick up where you left off without missing a beat. When you're ready to make something new, click Create. From here, you can start a new project in the studio or share a post with your community. In the studio, you can record with your microphone, experiment with virtual instruments, or build with loops. If you're posting, add audio and a description to keep your followers in the loop on what you're making next. That's the essentials. Visit the site, log in, explore the feed, review services, manage your work in the library, and click Create to start making. Enjoy creating on BandLab.